Big news today because Triumph revealed a huge, an enormous bike. I mean, it's the all-new Triumph Rocket 3, which was presented as a concept right now, the Triumph Factory custom concept.
Yeah,
rocket.
It's called the Triumph Rocket TFC, and it's a whole different story from what you ever knew about the old Triumph Rocket 3, because
Why?
this one it's a lot bigger. So it produces right now over 180 horsepower and over 230 Newton meters of torque.
That's more than a car.
Yeah, which is more than a 1.5 diesel engined car. So you get a bigger bore right now. You have a bigger displacement. You have a 2.5 liter engine instead of 2.3.
Actually, this is the biggest production engine in motorcycle industry, in the series motorcycles, as far as I know.
Yeah. In the series, yeah.
Such a big engine for bikes. It's a triple.
Yeah, it's the same displacement, the same architecture right now. It's the triple. It's lovely. It's looking very good. We love the exhaust. We love everything that we can see right now. But you won't believe it. If you remember, the old bike can easily put wheelies.
Really?
Yeah, only by revving it, you know. So this one, it's actually double by numbers compared to the older one. So it will be huge. It has a catalytic converter. Yeah, 3 pipes, 3, 1, 3. So this one is Euro 5. Of course, and 2 pipes are coming on the right side and 1 on the left side. So this is looking very, very good. I love the Bonneville looking gas tank. I love the 2 round headlights that now are LED. You have all the electronics aids that you read right now. You also get the connectivity dash, which can pair with your phone and also your GoPro, which is a very cool feature. And I was very upset when I heard the news because it only had 1 seat. And now in the photos, I saw that it has 2 seats.
This is just the prototype, you know, the concept. This bike, as we see it, will go on sale only in limited number. 750, as far as I know, units will go for sale. But of course, we're gonna have a standard version which will appear. Actually, this one is part of the TFC line, the Triumph Factory Custom, which will be some Triumph bikes, just like the Truxton. That will feature a better finish and
only high-end parts over there.
Exactly.
The best you can get on the market. What I noticed about this new Rocket is that it has an upside-down suspension, big beefy brakes and discs. So it's all about performance. It's not your average cruiser.
So it's not just about looks.
Yes.
Yeah, it's a performance bike, and I love that single-sided swing arm in the back.
Have you noticed that big wheel? How good it looks, and that beefy tires. So everything
Will it steer? What do you think?
Yes. The dynamics will be very good on this bike because we have the example from the Ducati Diavel, which is the one with the biggest tire on the rear right now, 240, and it steers very good. It's a very maneuverable bike. So this one can go up to 250 in my opinion, because it looks a bit bigger. Hopefully they will try to keep it underneath 260 kilograms, because this is the winning number for a bike like this. I think you didn't notice right now, it's very customable. You can do everything you want with it. It's like the modern classic range from Triumph. You can switch it to a bobber, you can switch it to a highway cruiser. You can do everything you want with it. So right now we have only the Diavel and the Rocket.
Yeah,
we can wait for the Rocket to become a series.
We don't have the specs right now. We don't have the official figures for the horsepower and for the torque and for the weight and the price. Also, we don't know the price. But the guys at Triumph, they say they're gonna launch these details on the first day of May. So in a couple of months, 2 months, something like that.
Bear with us for a moment. We will come up with new information as soon as we have them.